Hello, and welcome to my classroom management course for my practicum project. This classroom management course is something that I developed for my elementary school for first year teachers. I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the important aspects of the course, the things that I felt went really well, and the things that I wish to improve on. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to talk fast because there's so much to fit in such a short amount of time. So here is the stream. When students log in, they log into this, they come to the stream right away. This is where their announcements are and different aspects. So when students first log into the course, I got some feedback from my learners that they weren't sure how to navigate the course. And so I went ahead and made a video, a YouTube video of a screencast where I was sharing how to navigate through the course and the important aspects of the course. After that, the students should go to the resource tab or the classworks tab, and that's where they have the resources and the different weeks. I really like this menu in Google Classroom because they can navigate through the different weeks, such as week 5 if they were on week 5. Once you get there, there's really some really cool things that I have done and incorporated into each and every week. There's a pre and post assessment for each week, so I can assess what the learners have learned throughout the week, as well as my whole classroom management course has a pre and post assessment, so I can assess the learning of the class as a whole. After that, they take the pre assessment. You can go ahead and click on the classroom management course slides. These slides have some instructional materials. I decided to put a checklist on the first page of these slides so that the learners know what they need to do in the course for that week. After that, I have a video of myself giving them more of a detailed instructional material. I created these in my classroom. After that, I have more instructional material that's written down for those learners who need that. And I have this little button that speaks and reads the slides to them for the learners that need that aspect. Something that I didn't like about Google Classroom is that it's very hard to be very engaging. I felt like it was really boring. So I wanted to make it more engaging for the learners. So I went ahead and created a discussion board. You can see this is a Flipgrid discussion board. What I liked about Flipgrid is that you created videos to share. You can see some of the people who tested my course out. They made their own videos, and so this introduction video, there's other videos that they can make, and each discussion has a video. After that, um, some other things about my course that I wanted to talk about is some things that I struggled with. When I created this course, and my supervisors and I's idea was we were going to make this classroom management plan, and we're going to have the learners make it on week 2 and then revise it on week 9. After I created the course, my project supervisor didn't like that and she wanted me to switch it all up. At that point, all the instructional materials had been made, and so we weren't sure what to do. So I made a week 0 because essentially the classroom management plan should be made before the school year even starts. So the week 0 is some work that they need to do before the class comes, so that they have that outlined for the course, because that's a really important aspect as we're teaching skills to enhance that classroom management plan. I hope you enjoyed my learning module. I'm excited to see your guys's. Thank you.